What's happening, guys? So today the plan is to get everything primed and then painted for the Lexus. That way tomorrow we can start putting it all back together. So let's get started.
Came for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
So it's kind of funny from your guys' perspective that the intro video is a yellow E36. We've just painted another E36 yellow, and now we're painting the Lexus yellow. So yeah, on the YouTube channel where we paint everything yellow, I'm going to go in here and start a time lapse of stripping down the doors ready for primer. Okay, so that sucked. These window trims are really hard to get off. Well, they aren't hard to get off. I was just doing it wrong. If you grab it from the back and peel it forward, then it clips straight. So the primer is on. The time lapse would have cut in and out a good bit. I was running out of charge, so I'm not sure how much you guys actually got of the time lapse, but yeah, I'm gonna leave that overnight. As it's 2 a.m. tomorrow, I'm gonna come in and flat it all off and start putting paint on it. All good horror movies start with a guy at 3 o'clock in the morning driving down a road like this with that much petrol. So we're on our way back to the garage now. It's the following day. It's 3 o'clock in the evening. I left at 3 o'clock in the morning. So the primer should be nice and dry in the sun. Plan is get the primer blocked down with 500, then get 500 on the interface pad on the DA and go over the rest of the panels and get the boot lid, the bonnet and the four doors painted today. It is happening today. Then tomorrow the car can be more or less assembled and I can paint the kit and the bumpers and the side skirts and stuff. And then by this weekend we will have a fully built yellow Lexus that's polished and ready for the road. So guys, I didn't time lapse it, but I got the worst part out of the way, which is the door shuts. It's the worst part of any respray ever. I hate it. So they're all sanded and taped. So now all I've got to do is block down the primer with 500, then on the DA use 500 just to take the shine off the rest of the panels, and then we'll be ready to degrease and start mixing paint. What's up, guys? So it's the following day. There was just way too much overspray in the room last night for me to come in here with the camera. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it all turned out. So weirdly, the doors didn't get as much dirt and dust in them as the bonnet did. You can't really pick it up on the camera, but the bonnet got way more than the doors, and the doors being on their back, which is pretty strange. But yeah, I mean, they still got dust in them. At the end of the day, they're all gonna need a full flat and polish. I'll show you the boot lid, which was really hard to paint. I swear to God, this garage is so rammed full of stuff. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is get the cars uncovered and then throw the door catches and stuff onto the Lexus whilst I wait for someone to get here and give me a hand lifting all this stuff onto it. So I'll just fire the GoPro on a time lapse again, and Timelapse is throwing it back together. So absolutely none of that went to plan. I never hit record on the GoPro, and my helper had to leave before I could get all the doors on the car, so I can't get it outside yet to get the rest of the stuff painted. So yeah, I'll show you guys the car. So this is what the car is looking like now. I can't close the doors because the door handles aren't in, and I'll never get them open again. And the same with the boot, but so not the most successful day. Super stoked at how the car's turning out, but I'll end this video here, and then in the next video we'll probably be masking the headlights, and then the video after that we'll finally have all the stuff painted and fitted back to the car, and the car will be complete again. So yeah, like, subscribe, I'll see you guys in the next one.